looking for your Velveeta that you left.
He knocked me off the TV.
Boo.
Boo. People are up there.
Anybody watching TV upstairs?
We can't watch.
Hold on. What? Will? Will?
I think she's scared her eye. Did you hit try again?
I didn't, but I had to reach out to everybody. Somebody called in for a Hennessy TV yesterday. I don't know who that is. We don't have a Hennessy TV. Mom and Daddy use one thing at a time.
Uh-oh, Maple bought.
I mean, here it says streaming limit reached often. I just hit try again. Not that long ago.
Ay, 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 ay. Uh-oh, she's barking.
She's barking a lot, buddy. I think she's scared of your iPad. Come here, baby girl. Come here. It's okay.